To make good quality videos on YouTube, we need to ensure good quality audios. So it is very necessary to have a good quality microphone to record professional good quality audios. Today we are going to unbox and review such a good quality microphone within budget, which is Fifine K678. The best budget friendly studio quality USB condenser microphone, Fifine K678. So it has came with a user manual, table stand, tripod mount, USB cable and microphone itself. Solid metal build quality provides a premium look. Also it has 3.5mm audio jack for live monitoring and USB type B mini port. So in the front side it has a LED power indicator with a dedicated mute button, which is very helpful for the live streamers. In the back side it has two knobs, among which one control input gain and the other one control the headphone sound volume. The stand is made of heavy metal, which gives a solid stability to the microphone. The USB cable is 6.5 feet long, and this is a very high quality cable which ensures quality sound recording. Its polar pattern is cardioid, that means this microphone will record from the front side only. And it is 360-degree rotatable, so you can easily rotate it within 360. We can use it both for PC and Mac. So for PC, minimum requirement is Windows 7 and above version with a USB 2.0 and 256 MB RAM. And for Mac, OS X 10.6.4 or higher version, and USB 2.0 high speed and 256 MB of RAM is a minimum requirement. Power supply 5 volt. Frequency 40 Hz to 20 kHz and S/N ratio 85 decibel. So the price of Fifine K678 is currently around $70, which is really a good price comparing with the quality. This could be your best option within budget and comparing with quality. So I would recommend you to have this Fifine K678. Sound of this video has been recorded by this Fifine K678. So overall it will serve your purpose very well. So if you have any query, please let me know by your comments here.